Hello folks, B&B Audioconcepts here. Waz, what are we doing today?
His name starts with thinkware.
So here we have the U1000 front and rear
GPS
dash cam,
connected.
4K quality, 64 gig card in there. Obviously the best on the market, so this is what we've put into this Porsche. Secondly, the original PCM. Basically go to aux and then hold the button down, and we're in Apple Carplay. If I press play, and bring that back down, and you've got the usual Apple CarPlay features that you would expect, and so forth. What else have we done in here? We've done an audio upgrade. We've added new tweeters. We've added new subwoofers, new mid-range, and in the back, the rear speakers. All done in stealth mode. Plenty of soundproofing, so there's no rattles. Fitted a 5-channel amplifier in here as well. And we've managed to keep the center channel working as well. Sounds absolutely insane. You really have to sit in here and check it out. Okay. Also, we've added a reverse camera to the original PCM with moving guidelines. If we take it out, back to Apple CarPlay. We've also got phone mirroring, which is a feature that we've started adding. Once you tilt the phone, it gives you a full picture. We're just sort of messing around with it. Let's go to a drag race. So here we have our friend from CarWow, who's always doing drag races, but it's nice to be sitting in here and basically mirroring your Apple phone while you're waiting for your kebab. Another cool feature. So just a recap: iPhone mirroring, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dash cam and reverse cam, full sound upgrade, full soundproofing. Absolutely awesome. 3-day turnaround on this one. Job done. And if anyone's interested, give us a shout. It's Waz, B&B Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. Nice to speak to you all. See you all soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.